when I filmed the video, these plants were not sprouted yet. Kale all around the cucumber. If you look very closely, a little third leaf right there is coming out. So a lot of plants have sprouted over the season. We got our first tiny little baby beet. And cucumbers. The kale seeds more sprouted, more cucumber. You see a little cucumber right there. Radishes. This little tomato plant right there. Basil. Down here, carrots are doing good. The zucchini is doing good. Spinach plants. Then we have another type of lettuce. More cucumbers on the sides. Pepper, beets, Roma tomato, cherry tomato, and we're trying to revive this cucumber plant. Right here, I'm starting seeds from those sponges. Here is a potato plant. They look like this, but as soon as they start flowering up is when you want to get all the potatoes out. That's cilantro. It's really hard to grow sometimes, but just like put a seed on a wet paper towel, put it in a plastic bag, put it under a heat mat, and just wait 3 days and it'll be sprouted. Beans have grown. The cucumbers are going to wrap around that. Basil, cilantro. The lettuce have been doing really, really good. We got green onions on the side. All herbs. Just put up a trellis. Here we have some baby cherry tomatoes, cabbages, Brussels sprouts. See, we can find pea pods. Right here is like little tomatoes right there. Just put on the plant. This brown stuff means that the root is rotting. That's not good. But to disinfect, in the watering can or spray bar, spray the bottom of cups on plants. It'll clean out all the bad stuff. Got the mint growing beautifully. Check out the compost. Right here is where the radishes have been growing beautifully. The melon plants, they did not do well over the rain last night. Over here, we had a little bit of a slug attack on the corn and the zucchini. That one's doing perfect. This is the cabbage after at least 4 weeks. Put some eggshells so the slugs won't try to eat it. We got the Brussels sprouts. They're doing beautifully. Just looking for any cabbage worms. We have cucumber right here in the middle. And we got another peas plant that's growing really big and beautiful. Then we have a tomato plant that seems to grow beautifully. We got the flowers. It's my little brother's plant. I planted it for him. And we have a pepper plant, and it seems to be growing new leaves. The grape plant is healing up after the cold rain and because it's super windy. Here's gonna be my new compost pile. I'll show you how I made the compost in another video. And here is a type of mint. It's been growing very well. I've been trying to take out all the weeds from the side, but otherwise it's doing really, really good.